I did the Transylvania twist in 1645. These aren't dances. You think you have Zoom fatigue? Try being conscious for 547 years. That's real fatigue. You're drinking unpasteurized milk for health? I drink unpasteurized humans. I hosted blood orgies in 1623, and even I think that's excessive. She's a 10 but has B blood selling masculinity courses. I did the Transylvania twist in 1645. These aren't dances. I am confused by modern gender studies degrees. 200,000 to study what I learned in one brothel visit in 1687. Real quick, hate me, subscribe so you don't miss